So, well, chemical properties of alcohols will carry on with one most important esterification. Esters, you might have heard the name ester, the flavor. They are so important that esterification is one huge industrial setup all around the world, because esters are used as flavors. These all juices and beverages and many kind of the food stuff and bakery products, they have that aroma and the fruit feeling, the taste you feel, the peach, the banana, the pineapple, the tutti frutti and so many other stuff. That is basically what? They are esters. And esters are also used as odors. So detergents, soaps, okay, you're washing clothes and they smell fruity, reason the detergent contain an odor. And also the bath soap and shampoos, they contain that aroma you're feeling. That is because they contain a ester, odor. They're used as odor here. In edible things, they're used as flavors. And esters are also used as solvents like nail polish remover and some other cosmetics. They have that fruit feeling, sort of aroma, sweet feeling, the odor. That is because esters they contain. So what a huge industry they are, because even the medicines they need, the children need kind of flavor, and you actually provide them with a suitable ester. All the natural fruits they have aroma. The apple field, the mango, they are naturally occurring esters. Chemists have simply copied them, okay, synthetic esters. Esters are actually a product of what? A reaction of carboxylic acid and alcohol. And this reaction is catalyzed by concentrated sulfuric acid. And when these low boiling things are used, especially this, then heat is done, heat is needed, and reflux condenser is needed. Heat and reflux condenser. It produces what? Carboxylic, esters, and the byproduct is water. Remember, in esterification, this is a kind of condensation reaction. You can notice OH from this part and H from alcohol. Functional groups, you have written like them, functional groups are facing each other, and OH from here, H from there, they are off, and rest of the molecule join. So we call this molecule as what? Condensation. You can notice that the water is the waste product, it has gone here, off goes what? H2O, and OH from here, H from there. So this particular bond has gone to link here, and the new molecule has a new face, a new functional group, and this functional group where CO, O, and this single bonded O has a C carbon chain, and this one can have anything, can have hydrogen or a carbon chain, but this whole thing is called as a, especially this part is a functional group of what? Ester. But this oxygen should have a carbon. If it has oxygen, if it has hydrogen, then it will become a carboxylic acid obviously, but COO, C there. Ester, a new family has been generated, a new organic molecule has born by the reaction of what? Carboxylic acid and alcohol, and you have the new thing. And how to name it? Look at the single bonded oxygen, draw a dotted line in your mind, okay, or right there with the lead pencil. And this particular part, if it is one carbon, this is methyl. If it is two carbon, it is ethyl, ethyl. If it is three carbon, it is propyl or propyl, and so on. So in this case it is ethyl, and this is two carbon thing with two oxygen attached, 8. This is ethyl ethonate. That is the name of the ester. When we write in English, we write it like ethyl ethonate. But when actually you have written it there on the paper, then you see the carboxylate part is written first. Carboxylic acid part, carboxylate part is written first, and then the alcohol. So this is ethyl ethonate. You notice ethyl ethonate, a kind of a flavor, okay. So they are used as flavor, they are used as solvents, they are used as odors, but you need to practice the method, actually the chemical equation, how to write the chemical equation, how to write the formula of a particular ester, or how to trace back the carboxylic acid and alcohol from which it is formed of. Easy way, if they ask you to write, suppose butyl methonate. Remember this 8 thing come from the acid. Meth mean one carbon acid. It means one carbon acid should be like this. And butyl oil from alcohol, it is coming. So 4 carbon alcohol, it means 4 carbon alcohol. Easy to way is to write the displayed formula because chances of error are less. This is butanol, butyl, butanol. It means methanol. It means methanoic acid, sorry, this is methanoic acid from methanate and butanol. They react together to produce what? Butyl methanate. Okay, so you have basically one way of device right from the name. And if you are now supposed to write the chemical equation, first write